You ever wondered why some people have money flowing to them like river, while others barely have enough money to buy food? The truth is, money follows value. And if you're currently broke and poor, it is because you're not producing and supplying enough value. Think about it. Can you name one person, just one person you know, that consistently produces and supply value and remain poor? Yes, because if you consistently produce value, if you produce value and connect it or supply it to the right people, money must follow you. Let's look at the wealthiest people around us. People like Abdulsamad Rabiu, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, Mike Adenuga, and the likes of them. These people do not sit and complain about money. They produce and supply value consistently, and that is why they will consistently remain rich, consistently continue to make money, because they produce value and connect it or supply it to the right people. Here is the secret that you do not know. The money you need right now is in the hand of someone who is desperately in need of a solution, and all you need to do is to provide that person with the solution they desperately need and collect that money. Money is like an electricity. It only flows to those or houses that are connected to it. So if you do not connect yourself to the source of money through value, it won't come to you. It won't flow to you. So your only connection, or the only thing that guarantees the flow of money to you, is that you use value to connect yourself to the flow of money. Now, how do you do this? Very simple. Identify a problem that people desperately need solutions for. Develop a unique solution that saves time, money, and effort. Package and present your solution to people who actually need it. Make sure you're visible to them every day and consistently. Then scale that solution and you are in money. Now listen, it really does not matter what you start with or where you're starting. The question is, can you help someone, solve a problem today? My sincere advice to you: stop waiting and praying for money to find you. Money follows value, right? And if you provide value, you will make money.